tuning in to Auto E-Clinic today. My name is Aaron. This is Michael. Today we have a 1997 Chrysler Sebring, dubbed the project car of Auto E-Clinic.
If you've been watching our videos, you know this vehicle's been here a few other times for a few other problems. In this case, it's the turn signal switch. The customer went to go turn left, straighten it back out, and the turn signal stayed to the left. She turned it all the way to the right, and it still stayed blinking all the time to the left. The only way to get it to cut off was remove the actual turn signal fuse. So in this case, we know it's the turn signal switch or multi-function switch. You're going to have these things called a bunch of different names I've heard them called by, but I think the overall official name is multi-function switch. Is that correct, Aaron?
That is correct, because not only this turn signal operation, it also controls your headlights.
Well, that's more than one function, right? So we can safely say it's a multi-function switch. All right, let's get at it, Aaron.
Let's go ahead, man.
We're going to go ahead and get access to the multi-function switch. By doing that, we have to remove the bezel around the steering column. On this one, we have 2 screws underneath. Let's go ahead and take them out. There's also 2 screws in the back. Or 1 screw, rather. Now we have access to the switch. Looks pretty simple to remove. So we just have 2 screws holding it in. Move the top screw and then your bottom screw, and it looks like it just pulls out, and it does. Unhook your electrical connectors. Looks like we can unplug the new one in. Slide it back in. All right. See if it works. Fuse is out of it, isn't it? Let's put the fuse in. Let's see if it works. Found the fuse. I don't know where it goes. Where's it go? There it is. See it now. Need to be a little flexible. Yep. Turn signal, turn signal. Turn lamp. Yep. Works great. If you look right here, I believe. Oh, no. That's what allows it to flip back. Okay, there it's repaired.